We're making pancake. Our mixture, our liquid, this is the dry mixture with the liquid mixture and the butter, and my husband will start heating the saucepan. Still getting hot. Okay. It's getting hot
Well, actually,
in here.
you're supposed to let it set.
Let it set, okay.
After you mix all of these together, you're supposed to let it set for like 10 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's
Pour it in.
pour the butter in the liquid mixture and pour in the dry mixture. Antioxidant power. Those are blueberries. Did you know blueberries are packed with powerful antioxidants? They help protect your cells from damage, support heart and brain health, and are a delicious way to add more nutrients to your day. Healthy can be tasty too. Must try. Okay, talk.
No. We'll talk about what? How my naughty Filipina is.
Mix.
Not too much.
Not too much mix.
But then after that,
slightly
mix, put in the blueberries.
Yep.
And gently fold in.
Yep. Look at these berries. Looks good. The mixture.
Now we sit tight for 10 minutes.
Okay, let it soak for 10 minutes.
Or let it absorb.
Let the flour absorb the liquids. Let it stay there for 10 minutes. We need to put a bit of oil. So we need to wait until the pan is heated. We can pause.
Okay, go.
Okay, I will get a small. This is small, okay? Like this. Small only. And drop it here. Then spread.
Yeah.
Like a circle thing. This is only a mini pancake for me. Because this is a testing, so let it.
That's good.
That's good. Okay. Let's wait.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready. Ready to flip? Oh, perfect.
Okay.
Yeah. What do you think? I'm gonna get it now? Or check?
It's up to you.
I think it's okay. It's fluffy. Yeah. Let me put it on my plate. Bon appetit. Let's make a big one. Am I going to make the big one?